so much about what others think about. I almost didn't have a thought of my own. The slightest remark would make me embark on a journey of self-doubt. But that was a while ago. This girl has got stronger, and if I knew then what I know now, I would've told myself don't worry any longer, it's okay. Cause a face without freckles is like a sky without the stars. Why waste a second not loving who you are? Those little imperfections make you beautiful, lovable, valuable. They show your personality inside your heart, reflecting who you are. I wondered if I could trade my body with somebody else in magazines, with a whole world fall at my feet. I felt unworthy and would blame my failures on the ugliness I could see when the mirror looked at me. Sometimes I still feel like that little girl who doesn't belong in her own world. But I'm getting better at reminding myself that a face without freckles is like a sky without the stars. Why waste a second not loving who you are? Those little
for me freedom, just like a waving flag.
And I just feel beautiful whenever love surrounds me, because love is a form of beauty. And my definition of true beauty is just being confident in yourself and walking into a room and thinking, wow, I'm beautiful inside and out, like naturally beautiful. I don't need like makeup or like anything to enhance myself. I'm just beautiful the way I was born.
What makes me feel beautiful personally is anytime I know that I'm treating myself well. So if it means that I just had a really intense workout or yoga session and I know I'm doing something good for my body, if I have a new outfit that makes me feel good and comfortable, or if I know that I'm making a really healthy choice for myself and for my body, that's when I feel good.
I feel beautiful when I'm out in the court playing volleyball.
My definition of beauty is being healthy and confident.
I think more so it makes me feel beautiful when I see God in you guys. You know, it just kind of like radiates.
My definition of beauty is loving yourself and who you are on the inside.
It's how beautiful you are on the inside. My definition of beauty is being like the best you can be and being healthy and comfortable with you.
What, just like this?
Oh.
Beauty lies within. It's not what you look like.
Give you reason, take you higher. See the champions, take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day.